Round off the following numbers correct to two decimal places. If the numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, we have to keep the same number. If the numbers are 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we have to take the next number. For rounding off to the correct to two decimal places, we have to look into the third decimal place. As it is 2 is there, I'll keep the same number, that is 4, 6.34. Similarly, as it is 5 is there, I'll increase the previous number by 1. I'll take 0.85. As it is 8 here, I'll take the next number, I'll increase the previous number by 1, 9.64. Next one, 7 is there, I'll increase the previous number by 1, that is 0.05. See the third decimal place 4, I'll keep the same number, I'll keep the previous number as same, 6.53. 6.53. Next one, 18.6752. 5 is there, I'll take the next number, 18.68. Thank you for watching.